initially you're just going to be looking at the symbol on the stick, and then we're going to say 3, 2, 1, 2, and on the cue, that's when the bomb hits.
Yeah. How are you guys feeling about that?
I want to do one more just to get done.
Okay. And the people that are throwing debris, they know when they're going to.
It's just Tony. So we have to go first.
All or nothing.
Alright, so is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Cameron, let me know when you're ready. Okay. Ready to?
Yeah.
Everyone know what they're doing? Does anyone have any questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, what am I going?
How do I ask a question?
I don't want to feel stupid if I ask questions
Okay,
on
go
myself.
ahead. Everyone's going on bang except Tony.
Everyone's going to bang except Tony.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
I know.
Roll
Cody
sound.
doesn't get the bang.
Done.
Sound speeds.
I just need that big piece.
Hold on. Hold on.
I lost my big piece.
Hold for Tony.
Tony.
Waiting on Tony.
Fly further.
C9.
I dropped the whole cup, guys.
Alright. People shaking the walls, make sure your hands aren't next to the window, because I can see shadows of fingers. Well, at least I just did.
Alright, and sound still speeds?
Sound speed sound.
Scene 9 Foxtrot, take 1.
Camera?
Bravo.
Mark.
Frame.
This is action, and 3, 2, 1.